One word to describe Arch, I would use the word precision, due to the type of parts that we need to make for our customers. My name is Kent Pearson. I used to be a plumbing background for many years. I transitioned to the CNC Swiss style machining industry, and it's been good ever since. I like creating high quality parts and helping my team members to do that task and keeping the machines running well. Arch has given me the stability of knowing that I can advance my career if I chose to do so. I believe Arch is a employer of choice because it provides a good overall work life for each individual. They have the capabilities to go about different ways in advancement in the business or stay content in the positions that they like doing. What's the best part of my day? Leaving home knowing that I've helped created high quality parts to help other humans out in our world. Personally, Arch has impacted my life by giving me a better quality of life overall. I have had greater knowledge in diagnostics and being able to keep the machines running properly.